This story is supposed to be about my Grand Escape Tuscany ride, but it is not. I paid my dues and prepared for the ride.
Testing, 1, 2, 3.
What a waste of a drive. I show up and there's no check-in. I guess I didn't get the memo. The next day I used the train. Again, no one to check in. There's nobody home. Again. Frustrated, I decided to do my own thing. Found a quiet spot to spend the night. I guess I'm at the pass. What goes up must come down. Snack time. After 2 days of riding alone, I decided to return home and do my own thing. So today I start from Siena. Nero taught me to drink coffee everywhere. And I'm on my way. Free wine. Maybe not. Tiny little graves. No. Yeah, that's the way I want to go. It's quite the panoramic shot. I don't know what this is all about, but I'll rub them all. A rock, or boob, and a cherry. Another black guy. Apple tree. Gluten-free burgers. Perfect. "17 more kilometers. Somewhere over there is Florence." Look, Miro, I didn't get to buy any bananas on this bicycle trip, but I did get pineapples. Crossing the Arno. That is officially Florence. Just crossed the pass. Take a break. Need a whatever. I've been riding for a while. It's very mixed. Lisa! That way! It's a nice pedestrian bridge. We're getting closer to the tourists.